got so quiet in here. How did I...
At this point, that's what the information they're working with. This still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened, because they're not even letting cars leave some of these parking garages.
Andre.
Hello.
Magpapalo. Babae. Andre!
Yo, that's wild. Look at this piece of shit. Give it up! Give it up, cuz! Give it up, cuz! Where are you going with that shit? Oh my god.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
So that's super great. Now, the nurse does say that she probably should not return. This is him giving one of those.
ये देखो ये वो तो ओए ओए पीछे कर लो पीछे कर लो
downgraded from the low COVID-19 community level to medium because of rising infection.
They lost a tire.
What the fuck? Fuck you, dude. Fuck you, dude.
You want this song?
Indiana Republican Congresswoman Jackie Walorski. She was killed along with 2 staffers and another person in a 2-car crash in her district. Indiana Attorney General Todd.
Turn right onto Baptist Road.
Oh, fuck.
That was great.
What the heck? Holy crap! Holy crap! What is this?
What?
The woman behind one of the craziest police chases ever. It was a demolition derby.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
A chunk of the RV was ripped away. Even that didn't stop the woman behind the wheel.
This is just unbelievable.
She just keeps on driving, dragging pieces of RV. Look, she's got company, her dog.
There's Fido out there.
He's staring out of the gaping hole. Even the dog can't believe it. He's had enough. Out he goes.
Oh, Oh my God!
The pooch limps away, and the wild chase goes on.
Whoa! Ho! No!
At street level, you can see smoking wreckage. Now look, she's got a second dog in the vehicle. This dog stays put, but the chase comes to an explosive halt when the woman smashes into a car.
Oh!
There she goes, fleeing on foot, and her dog is right with her.
This is such a bizarre pursuit.
But so are the cops. She's busted. Her faithful dog still...